Wants the Crown, written by Thùy, illustrated by Phùng and Quang, published by Room to Read. Every day, the animals come to see the Lion King to complain. Monkey complains there are not enough bananas. Fox complains that the fallen leaves are blocking his den. Elephant complains about the narrow path. And ants complain that their families are too crowded. The animals are making a huge fuss. Every day the Lion King has to roar to keep peace. Lion gets a sore throat from roaring so much he wants a break. But the forest can't be without a king. Lion gathers the animals and asks them who wants his crown. Elephant nominates himself because he's the biggest. Monkey thinks he should have the crown because he's the fastest. The king needs to be sly, Fox suggests. Ants wants to join in because they have the biggest number. The animals begin to fight. Elephant thinks the ants are too small. Monkey thinks Fox is too old. Suddenly, the ants attack Elephant. Elephant jumps out of the way and hits Monkey. Monkey falls on Fox. Everyone is even angrier than before. And Lion is the angriest of all. His roar silences everyone. In the end, Lion is still the king.